Alright, I'm going to show you how you can hide blanks and error values on a pivot table in Excel. So here we have our pivot table and our data associated with that pivot table here. And what we'll notice on our pivot table is that we have a divide by zero or an error value here, and we have a couple of blank cells in our pivot table. But generally speaking, the best thing to do is to actually just clean up your data so that you don't have those errors. But if for whatever reason you can't do that, or that's not available to you, or you just don't have the time to go through thousands of lines of data to fix it, what you can do to hide blanks is you'll notice that this will be blank in quotes. Because for whatever reason, there's data in one of these rows, but there is no widget or product attached to that. So what we can do is select the drop down in the row labels, and we can go through this list and see that there is a blank. We can unselect this blank and hit OK, and that will remove any blanks from our pivot table. So we're just essentially filtering it out. So now what we want to do is get rid of this divide by zero. So we can select anywhere in our pivot table, go up to Pivot Table Analyze, select Pivot Table, and then Options. This little menu will pop up, and you're going to want to select for error value show. And we can have it display anything we want instead of that error value. If we leave it blank, it will leave this divide by zero as a blank. So if we go ahead and hit OK, we'll notice that those divide by zero errors are now gone from our pivot table. Now we could also go and actually say that if there's an error there, we just want it to say 0. We can go ahead and hit OK, and it will display 0 instead. And there you have it. Those are two simple ways on how you can hide blanks or error values on a pivot table in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.